During the Great Depression, men maintained rugged physical strength without ever stepping into a modern medical clinic. They did not have access to expensive synthetic testosterone gels or complicated hormone replacement therapies. Their biological secret was a collection of humble seeds that cost mere pennies and grew abundantly in the poorest soil imaginable. Today we know these discarded scraps are actually powerful hormonal activators that rebuild male vitality directly from the ground up. Modern clinical researchers at top institutions now officially confirm these 14-cent pantry staples support healthy testosterone levels far more affordably than expensive laboratory formulas. Before we begin, tell us in the comments if you have ever tried boosting your testosterone naturally or gone the TRT route. We are reading and replying to every single comment with personalized tips for your unique situation. Now, let us go back in time to fix your health, starting with number 4. Number 4. The Zinc Vault, watermelon seeds. During the Great Depression, watermelon was one of the few crops that grew abundantly with minimal water and poor soil. This made it a dietary staple across rural America. The seeds were never discarded by the hardworking men of that era. They were intentionally dried and roasted and eaten as a daily snack to sustain brutal physical labor. We now realize that this simple habit was secretly flooding their exhausted bodies with the exact raw materials required for optimal male hormone production. Watermelon seeds are among the most concentrated dietary sources of zinc and magnesium available in whole food form. Zinc is an essential mineral cofactor required for the Leydig cells in your testes to convert baseline cholesterol into active-flowing testosterone. Seniors often suffer from a severe and silent deficiency in this exact mineral. The National Institutes of Health data shows that nearly 45% of adults over 60 completely lack adequate zinc levels. When your aging body is deficient in zinc, the luteinizing hormone signal from your pituitary gland is functionally ignored at the testicular level. Your brain is desperately ordering testosterone production, but your cellular factory simply cannot respond without the right chemical keys. Researchers at the Wayne State University Department of Internal Medicine demonstrated this exact mechanism in a landmark clinical study. They found that providing zinc supplementation to marginally deficient older men produced a near doubling of serum testosterone levels over just 6 months. You can achieve this exact profound mineral correction for roughly 14 cents an ounce. 1 single ounce of dried watermelon seeds provides approximately 26% of your daily zinc requirement alongside 21% of your daily magnesium. These powerful minerals arrive in a bioavailable form that makes them a practical and affordable addition to any daily routine. Most men discard watermelon seeds out of pure habit without ever questioning why. That single unconscious habit may be costing your body the exact minerals it is silently begging for every day. For a senior male, this is the absolute fastest and cheapest mineral correction available anywhere. You are literally throwing away the foundational building blocks of your male hormones every single summer. Start saving these seeds and dry them on a simple kitchen baking sheet. Eat 1 handful every afternoon to permanently restore your biological factory. Number 3. The estrogen blocker, whole flax seeds. Flaxseed was one of the most widely grown crops in the American Midwest during the harshest agricultural years of the 20th century. Families relied heavily on it for livestock feed and human consumption when other traditional foods were completely unavailable. Men soaked these whole seeds overnight and added them to their morning porridge to survive brutal physical conditions. Today, clinical science reveals that this exact traditional preparation method may act as a hormonal support strategy for aging men. You must understand a critical and counterintuitive distinction about how your biological system processes this plant. Whole flax seeds behave differently in your digestive tract than the modern pre-ground flaxseed meal sold in expensive grocery stores today. As men age past 50, a specific enzyme called aromatase becomes increasingly active in their bodies. This enzyme is heavily concentrated in your abdominal fat tissue. Aromatase actively converts your precious free testosterone directly into estradiol, which is the primary female sex hormone. This silent internal conversion is a meaningful driver of age-related testosterone decline that is entirely separate from your natural testicular function. This conversion process accelerates with every single pound of belly fat you gain. Whole flax seeds deliver powerful compounds called lignans. Your gut bacteria convert these intact lignans into a molecule called enterolactone. Enterolactone has demonstrated weak estrogenic receptor activity and may help modulate the overall estrogen environment in your body through multiple pathways, including mild influence on aromatase enzyme activity. Researchers at the University of California, Los Angeles Department of Medicine have studied flaxseed lignans and their effects on sex hormones in older men. Some findings suggest that flaxseed lignan supplementation may influence sex hormone-binding globulin levels, though research results in this area remain mixed and ongoing. The Depression-era preparation method of using whole intact seeds preserves the lignan content more effectively than heavily processed powders. The intact cellular walls of the whole seed slow the fermentation process in your gut. This slower digestion supports a more consistent daily release of beneficial compounds. What most men never realize is that the simple act of switching from pre-ground flaxseed meal back to whole soaked seeds could meaningfully change how their body handles this entire process. The ancestral version of this food was not primitive. It was actually more mechanistically sophisticated than what the modern food industry sells you today. Start adding 1 tablespoon of whole-soaked flax seeds to your daily morning routine. You will support your body's natural hormonal balance and protect the testosterone you already have. Now get ready, because this next one is even more powerful for directly supporting your body's hormone production. Number 2, the Leydig cell activator, fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek was an essential survival staple in immigrant communities spanning across Southern European and Middle Eastern households. Working men used this incredibly cheap flour extender as a daily digestive aid and a highly reliable vitality tonic. They did not understand the advanced molecular chemistry, but they knew it kept older men remarkably strong and capable. Modern endocrinology now confirms that these specific seeds contain unique steroidal saponins that directly support your body's energy and hormonal systems. The most important of these compounds is a highly specific chemical called protodioskin. Protodioskin is believed to influence androgen pathways in your body and may support upstream hormonal precursor activity. Fenugreek does not just passively enable the testosterone synthesis pathway like standard commercial vitamins do. It actively supports the entire biological factory by increasing the expression of the steroidogenic acute regulatory protein. This specific transport protein is the vital vehicle responsible for pulling raw cholesterol into the mitochondria of your Leydig cells. This exact microscopic location is where all human testosterone synthesis officially begins. Researchers at the University of Mary Hardin-Baylor conducted a double-blind and randomized controlled trial to clinically test this exact mechanism. They demonstrated that men supplementing with fenugreek seed extract for 8 weeks showed meaningful increases in both total and free testosterone compared to a standard placebo. These men also experienced measurable improvements in their physical strength and their daily energy levels and their overall sexual function. Here is a particularly notable part of this biological picture. Fenugreek has shown evidence of influencing aromatase activity while it supports your body's testosterone production. This means it may operate on two complementary hormonal pathways at the same time. It supports testosterone production and may help slow its conversion into estrogen. What makes this seed particularly interesting from a historical standpoint is that cultures using it daily for centuries were unknowingly performing something remarkably close to what modern sports endocrinologists now recommend for natural hormonal optimization. They simply called it food. You can purchase these raw seeds in bulk for roughly 18 cents a serving, which keeps them perfectly within the historic affordability frame. Start by boiling 1 single teaspoon of whole fenugreek seeds in water to make a strong traditional tea. Drink this bitter tonic every morning on an empty stomach to support your Leydig cells. But wait until you see number 1, because it addresses the ultimate master switch of your entire male biology. Number 1, the HPG axis reset, raw pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds were universally consumed across every single demographic during the most difficult economic years in American history. Families simply roasted them in a dry pan with a little salt because they required no expensive cooking oils or modern refrigeration. Men carried handfuls of these seeds in their overall pockets to maintain their rugged stamina during incredibly long agricultural shifts. Medical science now shows that lower heat preparation methods better preserve fragile chemical compounds called delta-7 sterols and cucurbitacins. These unique biological compounds may work at a high level of the male testosterone hierarchy, which is the hypothalamic-pituitary-gonadal axis. This internal master command chain controls whether your body produces any male hormones at all. Your brain hypothalamus releases a signal which commands your pituitary gland, which finally orders your testes to manufacture testosterone. In men over 60, this vital communication axis is progressively disrupted by elevated stress cortisol and rising estrogen levels. When this master switch is chemically suppressed, no amount of standard protein or gym exercise will fully fix your declining manhood. The delta-7 sterols in pumpkin seeds may help reduce enzymatic activity that creates estrogenic feedback disruption. Furthermore, these seeds are an excellent whole food source of both zinc and tryptophan together in a single food. Tryptophan is the required dietary precursor to serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that plays a role in modulating hormonal signaling at the hypothalamus level. Researchers studying pumpkin seed supplementation have found evidence of benefits for hormonal markers in aging men. Studies published in the Journal of Medicinal Food have indicated that pumpkin seed supplementation produced improvements in testosterone-associated hormonal markers. The subjects experienced meaningful reductions in symptoms of androgen deficiency that consistently affect aging men. Lower heat preparation methods are generally preferred for preserving the most fragile bioactive compounds in these seeds. Excessive commercial high-heat processing can degrade sensitive phytochemicals, so choosing minimally processed or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds is a reasonable approach. The bioactive compounds are concentrated in the inner kernel of the seed, so consuming the shelled kernel ensures you are getting the most nutritional value. Here is what separates pumpkin seeds from everything else on this list. Every other seed works on a specific part of the hormonal pathway. Pumpkin seeds address the command center itself. If the master signal is broken, then nothing downstream will ever function the way it should, regardless of what else you eat or supplement with. This specific seed does not just support your daily testosterone levels. It addresses the broader hormonal command system that determines whether any other biological health intervention can actually work. Your aging body is a miraculous biological engine that simply needs the correct ancestral raw materials it was fundamentally designed to run on. By returning to the nutritional wisdom of the hardest working men in history, you can completely rewrite the script of your physical decline. Watermelon seeds and whole flax seeds and fenugreek and raw pumpkin seeds are the forgotten tools that build hormonal resilience. You have the absolute power to reactivate your cellular factories and flood your veins with unstoppable daily energy. Do not let anyone tell you that disappearing testosterone is just an unavoidable part of getting older. You can step into tomorrow feeling significantly more capable and powerful than you have felt in decades. Real food gives you natural nourishment that supports your manhood in ways synthetic powders simply cannot replicate. What counts is staying consistent and fueling your body with nutrients that work with your biology instead of against it. Which of these 4 classic powerhouse seeds are you going to add to your routine first? Do you remember your parents or grandparents eating these simple foods when you were growing up? Share your experiences and opinions in the comments below because we absolutely love reading them. Stay strong and keep moving, and we will see you in the next video.